If you find when you go to pull out the upper rack in your dishwasher that it's very difficult to pull out, or it's really rough and difficult to get in, there's a very good chance that the wheels for your upper rack may be worn out and need to be replaced. So now to install our wheels, we want to make sure that the gaskets are in place. So these little gaskets are there to keep the water from being pushed out through the screw holes and then could possibly leak. So you make sure those gaskets are in place, then just bring your assembly in, line up the holes with the tub, and put your screws back in. And just tighten those screws down. So they need to be tight, but again, you're going into plastic, so you don't have to over tighten them. Just bring them nice and snug. So to install your rails, you're just going to bring the rail up, slide it through the wheels on the side of your tub. The front set, you'll want to take one of your rail clips, your end clips, and insert them into the back rail. So to install our upper rack, we're just going to push our rails all the way back, line up our wheels into the rail on both sides, make sure that the next set of front wheels go into our rails, slide the rack all the way back, and then just slide the clip into the rail, and then just push it downward so that those fingers pop into those holes. The finger inside will pop into place and stop it from coming back out. And that's how easy it is to install the wheels for your upper rack in your dishwasher.